Yo guys, welcome back to Bass Block Unbox. We have got the same testing field as the grip, same song NTS field got off my watch. I got it on max volume. I had to put the watch here because you're gonna see how far we're gonna have to go. And in the first time I was trying to make this video, the connection cut out when I was walking back, so yeah. Let's get this started with. Let me just see the passive radiators. Those are great. But maybe like, I don't know, 5 meters. That thing's perfectly hearable. We're on the 70 watts battery mode, obviously, so it's not even the speaker's full potential. I can still hear it fine. Sun is coming out. Nice, man. I can still hear. Here comes the bass drop, guys. Damn, that's some clean bass even from here, bro. I don't know if the mic can pick it up, but I can hear this thing still pretty clearly. Similar volume to like my voice. We're going back. We're still going back. I am so far away right now. That's the max video zoom. Even though this is such a bigger speaker than the grip, you can barely capture it. I can still hear it. Right, here comes my favorite part. You can feel the bass here. Let's see if we can go to here and still hear it. I mean, I'm like literally right to the end. I can still hear it. This is right at the end, right next to someone's home. I can hear the thing. Look how far we are. Now, thanks guys for watching. I'm gonna go run to that speaker and peace out.